Okay, I'm going to try to keep this as steady as I can. What I'm looking at is the key console here blinks on and off. That finally came on, but now this is all like lit up and kind of weird. The three boards that were affected were from right to left, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And right now when I turn them on, I normally see the boot sequence right here. You can see that right here. And then I see two lights in the back, two LED lights back there on this board. And then I see the rest of the sequence here. But when it gets to, so the uppers go in order. It's like third LED, fourth LED, fifth LED, sixth LED. And then when it goes to the lowers, it jumps over here. And then it jumps around. Anyway, I guess you'll see what I'm talking about right now when I turn this on. Turn it on. So you can see the sequence going right here. And then it gets stuck when it gets to the lower third. And then when it starts doing it, it starts blinking over there. And it has to go through the whole thing before it moves to lower 4. And then you'll see it over here. So, So what I see is once it finishes the lowers, it'll go to move from lower 3 to lower 4, which it just did that right now. And then it'll do the test. So the light down here moved to number 4 position. That moved to number 4 position. And now we're going through the cycle again with it blinking from there all the way to here. And then what it'll do, it'll cycle back to upper 1 and then stay there. And then so what's happening is that lower 3 and 4 are not operational. So I don't know if that's related to maybe the little what do they call them? I forget what they're called, I'm sorry. They're called the pin out keys, like those ones that go up and down between 1 and 0. If they need to be readjusted or looked at, I'm not sure. The other thing I noticed is you can still see a LED in the back blinking over here. All the way in the back. Let's see if you can see it. There, sorry. So that's blinking while it's doing that. So I'm not sure what lights need to be on while this process is going on. It's almost like it's trying to find it. So I'm not sure if those pins need to be reset or I don't know. So now it switched back over here, and now we're back on upper one. So if you look at the console, now I'm able to go between upper and lower. If I do that, you see I can go upper, lower. So there's your lower one, upper one. If I go lower two, it'll work, lower one. If I go upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, that works. But the moment I hit lower and hit 4 or 3, I can switch between them, but then I get this blinking, I get that. And then what it'll do, it'll start trying to find them. So I'm not sure why that is. And then as you can see, the plate cocking, I can't go back unless there's a board that is set for this. It seemed to be working before, but now it's not. That one's completely out. I can't, it does not let me do anything. The only other thing I saw with, so the problem here is we got water damage up there. All the water damage, it fell right on here. It leaked in there. The only other thing I saw here is, hold on a second. Okay, the only other thing we noticed here was, and I'm not sure if this was alright or not, but this control board has some type of, like this stuff right here. But I don't know if that's powder or what that is exactly, or if that might be causing a short. I don't know if this